So good afternoon. Good afternoon. The Unit 5 Mathematical Modeling of Robot. So this topic consists of direct kinematics, coordinate and the vector transformation using matrix, rotation matrix, inverse transformation, composite. So it consists of rotation matrix, inverse transformation, composite rotation matrix, homogeneous transformation, robotic manipulator joint, coordinate system, inverse kinematic of two joint, DH parameter, Jacobian transformation in robotic manipulation. So the first is kinematic pair. So kinematic pair is a connection between two physical objects that imposes a constraint on their relative movement. Kinematic chain is an assembly of rigid bodies which is connected by joints to provide a constraint or a desired motion. So mechanism is constraint kinematic chain. So kinematic pair is defined as the two links or the elements of machine when in contact with each other are said to form a pair if the relative motion between them is completely or successfully constrained in a definite direction. Then the pair is known as a kinematic pair. So in classical mechanism, it is the connection between two physical objects which imposes a constraint on their relative movement. So kinematic pair according to the consideration, it is classified into three types of relative motion, contact, and type of mechanical constraint or the type of closure. Then the next is manipulator as a mechanism. So manipulators can be schematically represented from a mechanical viewpoint as a kinematic chain of rigid bodies, that is links connected by means of revolute or prismatic joints. So manipulators are composed of an assembly of links and joints, and the links are defined as the rigid sections which make up the mechanism joints and are defined as the connection between two links. So the device which is attached to the manipulator which interact with its environment to perform the task is called as end effector. Now the types of manipulators are manipulator system consists of different subsystems. In traditional design, a manipulator link is designed first, then followed by a driver system, measuring system, and then a control system. So this diagram shows the kinematic chain. Here is the open chain manipulator kinematic. So mechanism of manipulator can be represented as a kinematic chain of rigid bodies which is connected by a revolute or a prismatic joint. One end is constrained to the base, which is shown in this figure, while an end effector is mounted to the other end of the chain. So the resulting motion is obtained by composition of elementary motion of each link with respect to previous one. In robotics, a manipulator is a device which is used to manipulate a material without direct physical contact by the operator. This happens in robotics. So the application were originally by dealing with the radioactive or biohazardous material using robotic arm, or they were used in inaccessible places. So kinematic is the description of motion, and motion is described using position, velocity and acceleration, and these all are, that is position, velocity and acceleration, are vector quantities. So describing how things move in called kinematic, and it has a term that are very specific. These terms include the position, displacement, distance, velocity, speed and acceleration. So proper use of these terms first demands that understanding each term. So position and displacement. The kinematic is a branch of physics which is concerned with describing the motion. The first concept of motion is position. So it is an analytical study of geometry of motion of mechanism with respect to a fixed reference coordinate system without regard to the forces or the movements that cause the motion. So in order to control and program a robot, we must have the knowledge of both its spatial arrangement and means of reference to the environment. Thank you.